Today we will know about Panipuri. Panipuri, often called by various names across India like golgappa, fuchka or pani ke batashe. This is a street food that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions. This delightful snack consists hollow, crispy puris filled with a tantalizing mixture of spicy tamarind water, smashed potatoes, sprouted beans, and a medley of spices. Each bite is an explosion of flavors and textures. The crispiness of the puri giving way to the burst of tangy, spicy, and slightly sweet sensations from the filling. The joy of Pani Puri lies not only in its delectable taste but also in the experience of gathering around a street vendor, watching as they expertly prepare each morsel. It's not just a snack, it's a social event, a celebration of the diversity and vibrancy of Indian street food culture. Pani Puri truly embodies the essence of India's heritage, making it a must try for anyone seeking an unforgettable adventure.